Imagine this, a signal from deep space so mysterious and powerful that it left scientists completely baffled. In 1977, a radio astronomer working at Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope stumbled upon what many believe could be the first ever contact from an alien civilization. It's called the WOW signal, and to this day, it remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of space. The signal was detected on August 15, 1977, by Jerry Eman, who was analyzing data from a radio telescope. It lasted for exactly 72 seconds, coming from the constellation Sagittarius, near the star cluster Chi Sagittarii. But here's the mind-blowing part, the signal was so strong and unusual that Eman circled it on the printout and wrote the word WOW in the margin. That's how it got its iconic name. The WOW signal had all the hallmarks of an artificial, extraterrestrial origin. It came from a narrow band of radio frequencies that are not naturally emitted by celestial objects. Even more mysterious, it was detected only once and has never been heard again, despite countless efforts to locate it. What caused it? Some scientists believe it could have been a signal from an alien civilization, possibly attempting to communicate. Others suggest more mundane explanations, like interference from Earth or a passing comet, though these theories are far from conclusive. Over 4 decades later, the WOW signal continues to fascinate and frustrate researchers. Was it an interstellar hello, a cosmic fluke, or something we still can't comprehend? Whatever the answer, it's a chilling reminder that the universe might be hiding secrets far beyond our understanding. What do you think the WOW signal was? Drop your theories in the comments below. Space may look calm and peaceful from afar, but don't be fooled. The vacuum of space is one of the most hostile environments imaginable, and stepping into it without protection is an instant death sentence. But how does space kill you? The truth is more shocking than you think. Unlike Earth, space has no air, no pressure, and no oxygen. It's a complete vacuum, and your body is simply not built to survive in such extreme conditions. Without a spacesuit, the lack of pressure would cause the water in your body to boil, yes, boil. This happens because in a vacuum, liquids evaporate at much lower temperatures, even at body heat. Within seconds of exposure, your lungs would collapse as the air inside them escapes violently. Your blood vessels and tissues would swell as the gases inside your body expanded, and your skin would start to freeze due to the extreme cold. But here's the most horrifying part, you wouldn't die instantly. You'd lose consciousness within 15 seconds from lack of oxygen, but your body would endure these horrors for up to 2 minutes before the inevitable. Contrary to popular belief, you wouldn't explode, but that doesn't make it any less gruesome. Instead, your body would be left bloated and unrecognizable, frozen solid in the icy void of space. The vacuum of space is the ultimate killer, silent, relentless, and merciless. It's a stark reminder of just how fragile human life is when confronted with the vast, uncaring universe. What do you find most terrifying about the vacuum of space? Let me know in the comments below. If you think Earth's climate can be extreme, wait until you hear about Venus. Often called the Hell Planet, Venus is a world so hostile and terrifying that even our most advanced spacecraft can barely survive there. But why is Venus so deadly? Let's take a horrifying journey to our solar system's most unwelcoming neighbor. Venus might look serene from a distance, with its thick yellow clouds, but those clouds are made of sulfuric acid. Beneath them lies a planet where temperatures soar to a staggering 475 degrees Celsius, 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. It's the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, despite being farther from the Sun. The air on Venus is mostly carbon dioxide, and its atmospheric pressure is 92 times greater than Earth's. Imagine being crushed under the weight of an ocean, and you'll get a sense of what it's like on Venus's surface. This crushing pressure would flatten any unprotected human or machine within seconds. But it gets even worse. A single day on Venus lasts longer than a year, thanks to its incredibly slow rotation. This means that the planet is exposed to the sun's relentless heat for months at a time, creating a truly hellish environment where survival is impossible. And if you somehow thought things couldn't get worse, Venus also experiences acid rain. Although the rain evaporates before hitting the ground due to the intense heat, the atmosphere is saturated with clouds of sulfuric acid, making it a deadly cocktail of heat, pressure, and toxicity. Venus isn't just uninhabitable, it's a vision of pure cosmic horror, a warning of what happens when a planet goes catastrophically wrong. So, if there's one place you'd never want to visit, it's the Hell Planet. What do you think? Could humanity ever find a way to survive on Venus, or is it doomed to remain a fiery death trap? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The universe is made up of something we can't see, can't touch, and can't even fully comprehend. Scientists say that 95% of the cosmos is made up of dark matter and dark energy, yet, we know almost nothing about them. It's one of the most mind-bending and terrifying mysteries of space. What are they, and why can't we detect them? Dark matter is thought to make up about 27% of the universe's mass. It doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it completely invisible to our instruments. But we know it's there because of its gravitational effects on galaxies and clusters of galaxies. Without dark matter, galaxies would fall apart. So, we know it's there, yet we have no idea what it's made of. Some scientists believe it could be made up of particles that don't interact with normal matter, and others think it might be something far stranger. Even more perplexing is dark energy, which accounts for about 68% of the universe. It's believed to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe, meaning it's pushing everything apart, faster and faster. We can't see it, measure it directly, or even begin to understand how it works. It's as though the universe has a force within it that is literally ripping it apart from the inside. Here's the frightening part: scientists are still in the dark about dark matter and dark energy. They make up the vast majority of the universe, but they defy everything we think we know about physics. What if they're the key to something much more catastrophic? What if dark energy is accelerating the universe's destruction in ways we can't yet predict? Dark matter and dark energy remain the universe's greatest enigmas, hidden forces shaping everything around us, yet completely out of our reach. As we learn more, we uncover more questions. Are we ready to face the true nature of the cosmos? What do you think dark matter and dark energy could be? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments below. Imagine a future where everything you know, every star, every galaxy, even the atoms themselves, slowly, violently, and irreversibly falls apart. This isn't science fiction. It's a chilling possibility predicted by scientists. The universe, right now, is expanding at an accelerating rate, and eventually, it could rip everything apart in a cataclysmic event known as the Big Rip. The Big Rip is a mind-bending theory that suggests the universe's expansion will eventually reach a point where it tears apart everything in existence. Right now, we know that galaxies, stars, and planets are moving away from us due to the universe's expansion, but this process is happening faster and faster. As the force of dark energy accelerates, it could eventually overcome all the forces that hold matter together. At first, distant galaxies will be ripped apart, their stars and planets stretched out beyond recognition. Then, it will reach our own galaxy, the Milky Way, causing stars and solar systems to disintegrate. But the horror doesn't stop there. Even the very atoms that make up matter could be pulled apart by the growing expansion, until nothing remains but the void. The worst part? This could happen in about 22 billion years, give or take, but the ultimate destruction would unfold over millions of years. So, it's not something we'll experience in our lifetime, unless something changes in our understanding of physics. However, the fact that such an end to the universe exists is deeply unsettling. The idea that the universe, in all its majesty and mystery, could one day be torn apart in a violent and incomprehensible way is a sobering thought. Whether through the Big Rip or another catastrophic event, the future of the cosmos might not be as permanent as we once thought. What do you think about the Big Rip? Is there any way we could stop it, or is the end of the universe inevitable? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.